If you're seeing an OpenGL error in LDPlayer, like games not launching or graphics failing, yeah, that usually points to a driver or settings issue. The good news is, you can fix it pretty quickly. First, restart your computer. Temporary system or graphics glitches can sometimes trigger OpenGL errors. Next, update your graphics drivers. Outdated or missing drivers are one of the most common reasons OpenGL fails in LDPlayer. Now open LDPlayer settings and switch the graphics mode from OpenGL to DirectX. Yeah, switching modes often fixes rendering errors instantly. If you're using a laptop, make sure LDPlayer is using your dedicated GPU. Integrated graphics can sometimes cause OpenGL errors. Also, check that virtualization is enabled in your BIOS. It helps LDPlayer run properly and can reduce graphics issues. Then try running LDPlayer as administrator. This gives it full access to system resources, including graphics. If the error still shows up, uninstall LDPlayer and reinstall the latest version. Yeah, corrupted files can also cause OpenGL issues. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve the OpenGL error and get LDPlayer running smoothly again.